Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Tag Heuer Aquaracer Men's Automatic Watch WBD2112.BA0928. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silvertone hands. Silvertone stainless steel case with a silvertone stainless steel band. Automatic movement. 300 meters/1000 feet water resistance. Uni-directional rotating bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid caseback. Fold over with diving extension clasp. Screw down crown. Case size 41 mm x 12 mm, band 20 mm x long. Tag Heuer WBD2112.BA0928 Aquaracer Watch.